This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying power and hardware quickly. Plug the charger into a known working outlet and watch for LED or on-screen response. This tells you if power reaches the adapter. Inspect the cable and connector for visible damage because small breaks often interrupt charging. Make sure the adapter's wattage matches your Macbook model, since lower wattage can slow or stop charging. Once done, move to testing ports and connectors to isolate whether the issue is cable, adapter, or Mac. Now you focus on isolating which component fails. Try a known working charger and cable. If that charges, your adapter or cable is the culprit. Clean the Mac's charging port using compressed air and a soft brush because debris often prevents contact. If hardware seems fine, reset the SMC or PMU and NVRAM. These manage power and can restore charging behavior. Make sure to follow model-specific steps. Once reset's complete, retry charging and observe system responses and battery icons for clues. Finish by choosing the right remedy based on what you found. Replace frayed cables or faulty adapters immediately, especially if they overheat, because that's a safety hazard. Check battery health in system settings. If the battery shows service recommended or very low cycle count anomalies, plan for battery replacement. Make sure to gather diagnostics, serial number, system report, and behavior notes. If charging still fails after these steps, escalate to Apple or an authorized service provider for component-level diagnostics and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.